This video reviews the process of how to schedule equipment for next day work for the following activities: PM work orders, corrective work orders, opacity work orders, activities that do not have a work order such as decal application, tire shop, outside vendor, or steam cleaning, and allows a user to view the buses that have been scheduled by the car cleaning supervisor for general detailed cleaning and stair cleaning. Supervisors, leads, controllers, and senior controllers have permissions for this process. A bus schedule is created each day for the next day's work. On the bus scheduling screen, click New Record. On the Bus Record View tab, enter the following information and save the record: department, date of the work to be performed, and a description. To schedule buses for PM maintenance, click the PM's Coming Due tab. Change the data SPI to 1.5K inspections. In the grid, click the line to highlight the row. In the Details section, click Include, enter a park-on location, and save the record. Complete this process for each bus that needs to be scheduled for 1.5K inspections. To schedule 6K inspections, change the data SPI to 6K PM inspections. In the grid, select the line to be scheduled. Click Include and enter a park-on location. Save the record. Complete this process for each bus that needs to be scheduled for 6K inspections. To view all inspections that have been scheduled for tomorrow, change the data SPI to PM inspections included. To schedule buses for corrective maintenance, click on the Corrective tab. In the grid, highlight the row to be scheduled. In the Details section, click Included and enter a park-on location. Save the record. Repeat this process for each bus that needs to be scheduled for corrective maintenance. To view all the buses that have been scheduled for corrective maintenance, change the data SPI to Corrective Included. To schedule buses for opacity inspection maintenance, click on the Opacity tab. In the grid, highlight the row to be selected. In the Details section, click Included and enter a park-on location. Save the record. Repeat this process for each bus that needs to have opacity scheduled. To view the buses that have been scheduled for opacity, change the data SPI to Opacity Included. To schedule buses for other activities, click on the Other Activities tab. In the grid, click on the line to highlight the row that needs to be scheduled. In the Activities, select any applicable activities or ad hoc activities and enter a park-on location. Save the record. Complete this process for each bus that needs to be scheduled for additional activities. To view buses scheduled for other activities, change the data SPI to Other Activities Included. To view buses that have been scheduled by the car cleaning supervisor, click on the Car Cleaning tab. Only buses that have been scheduled are displayed. On the Car Cleaning tab, there is no action due by the supervisor, controller, or senior controller. To view buses that are included in the schedule for tomorrow, click on the Summary View tab. To create the Bus Work Schedule Report, click on Reports and Bus Work Schedule. Enter the department, the scheduled date, which would be tomorrow's date, and click Print Preview. The report is displayed in PDF format. This concludes the review. Thank you for watching.